Well, what is up, everyone? Alright, sweet. Slash. Bring that there. This is. Actually, I can't do it to here. Right. It should. My phone, real quick. My phone's gonna. Manage here. Subscribers. Cool. Where's my phone charger? Well, I don't know. Better my phone's just dead, right? More productive that way. No interferences. And so let's go ahead and do the introduction. This is going to be day one of my project that I'm going to be working on. I wanted to document it because maybe while I'm learning, someone else might be interested in learning the same thing. And whatever I learn, you could also learn together with me. So we're going to set up Flutter on our PC. I already did it, but I'm going to walk through the steps. Step one, we're just going to go ahead and go to the flutter.dev website. The link, I think you can read it here, but I'll put it in the description later if you guys need it, or in the comments, actually. I could put it in the comments section. I already installed it, but just go ahead, install it on your Windows or whatever operating system you're using. All right, yeah, we got it. So we go here. Hello. Stupid. Okay, USBs go to install. Download and install. So we gotta get this Flutter SDK on. I didn't do anything. Oh, okay. If you have a Visual Studio Code, you can follow these steps right here. Let's go ahead and open. Okay, this is something I was working. Did I ever get it to work? So I remember the. Shoot. I think it wasn't that. It was that. No. It's not recognized. Yeah. Why? Or this is something this is something else. Uh. Yeah. Well, I'm stuck. All right, so I was working on something that's completely different, and it's not Flutter or nothing. Writing stuff in C using this what is it called? The Ray something. Shows it here. Raylib. They're using Raylib to create a little game I was working on just for fun, messing around. But let's just go ahead and launch VS Code, command palette, Flutter. All right, so right here, let's make sure. Actually, this. Let's go ahead and make our own folder here. There you go. Okay. So now let's go ahead and made a whole new folder, opened it. We're gonna go ahead and follow the instructions here. Simple here, so okay, a new version of Flutter is available. Flutter upgrade. Let's go ahead and do that. Now, let's keep everyone in mind that's tuning in. Like, if you're a professional coder and you know about coding, and this is definitely not probably for you. This whole like live streaming thing I'm doing. If you're looking for something faster and quicker, just set it all up. This is me learning literally at the same time while I'm live streaming, and I'm doing it to document my progress. Once I finish the project and get to where I want to be, I want to see the whole process of it. It's basically for me, and if there's somebody else just like me out there, that is trying to get involved as well with coding and learning new things. Oh, I am dumb. I forgot to change my scene. So you guys were not seeing what I was doing. My bad, guys. Make this smaller, and I'll put you over here. There you go. My bad. Actually, properties. Look. Oh, whoa. Not like that. My bad. That's not what I meant. Wait, what? Oh. Okay. I'm being stupid. Sorry. That's what I meant. That's what I meant. Okay. So we did it. It should be as simple as that, huh? Let's do Flutter new project. So locate the Flutter SDK on the computer. You have the Flutter SDK installed, click locate SDK. If you don't have the Flutter SDK installed, click download SDK. And everyone, Visual Studio Code is a program that I'm using here. You could use like Cursor, I think, and it's like even has AI and everything to help you code and everything. But let's just go for this for right now. Okay, so under the studio not installed. Why not? How would you uninstall that, huh? Oh, here it is. Launch Android Studio. Or you don't know, continue on procedure. Otherwise, you can skip to the next section. First time using Android Studio. Launch Android Studio. Okay. Do we just put this? See, this is what I don't know. But did we just put this in here? Yeah, no, definitely not. Okay. I see something wrong. Skateboarding. What's this? Have they? Thought I already installed it. What? Okay, apparently you can just do it from right here, the Extension Marketplace. Interesting. So it's done. So is Android Studio a separate? Ah, okay. Oh. Hey. Wait. Android Studio. Yeah, this is it. Okay. So we also have to download this for developing the Android application if you wanted to run on Androids. That's why I'm not going to sign in there. And didn't think I had to download stuff, but apparently I do. So we have all this ready, apparently. What we don't have is this Android stuff. Flutter. Okay, just gotta get past this part. Should be quick. I won't do that whole PowerShell thing like the doctor. Next, launch. Whatever. Well, it looks like, what is it that they want us to download here? Android SDK. Pretty sure that it's all there. Yeah, 35, blah, 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 blah. Accept. Where's my charger? Is it plugged into the wall there? Can you get it? Can you plug it in there? Yes. Finish. Look at this. Yeah, that's set up. Configure your target Android device. To configure your Flutter app to run in the Android emulator, follow these steps to create and select an emulator. Enable VM acceleration on your development computer. What is this? What? Your system does not support. open device manager. All right, let's try this simple. What is this? We're gonna get into a rabbit hole of different things we have to do. Holy. Okay, I see where this is going. Alright, we'll figure this out later. We don't even need this right now. Whatever. We got Android installed. Well, we'll use that later. I do have Git, don't I? Uh, option. Let's just do this. Or I have this downloaded already? Oh, it did. I don't think so. Go ahead and do that. Perfect. Well, we already have it here. All right. Okay. Well, this is taking a little longer. Speak, Dina. All right. So, well, let's run the Flutter doctor. We can run it here. Let's check. Oh, doctor found issues in 2 categories. Where's that? Where are the issues at? So it's line PowerShell. There. That's it. Okay. Cool. Step 3. Let's do server IDE. Well, if you're using VS Code, recommend for speed. Yeah, we're using VS Code. With extension to install Flutter, Dart. There we have all that. Create your first Flutter app. So, I'll type it out for you guys. Flutter create. It'll be this is the app I'm working on, guys. That's my project. You guys would be able to put whatever name of your app where I'm putting my name at. That did not work. Okay. Why not? Okay. Because right here again. Yeah, that's what it is. Folder. Try that out. Let's try that again. B E all right. U what just happened? Okay, so BLHC is not a valid Dart package name, right? Being like Jesus app instead. The name shouldn't consist of lowercase word. Oh, shoot. Okay. Okay. Like that. Let's go back here. Meaning, so we cannot put capital. Note to self. Try this again. All right. Flutter. Now, time. Oh, Flutter. Be like. Steam. Is that gonna work? What the heck? It says cannot find path. Does not exist. Yeah. Okay. 1 second. Hey. Oh, shoot. Wow, I'm done. Okay. I apparently, you probably gonna see it now if you're watching, but I apparently forgot to put create. Nice. I'm done. Create. Be like Jesus. The learning experience. Oh, and then we're gonna do CD. B. Why does my keyboard always do double B's for some reason? Be like. No. Be like. Jesus. Alright. Code. Just please work this time, please. Yes. Oh. Wait, what? Brother. It did. Wait a second. What the heck? What did it say here? What did it? It said. Look at this. Create BB. What is this? Oh no. How do we? Can we go back? Can I go back? It did everything already. Oh my goodness! Don't tell me this, brilliant. Can we just restart this? Yeah, let's just do this. Wait. Okay. All right. We can do this again. All right. Cool. We just delete everything. Let's do this again. Holy crap! I can't even get this simple command to work for me. Create. B. 1B, bro. Got 2 dashes. What is this? How does that even happen? There are underscores? Oh no, it's a J. The J looks like the 2 underscores. Oh, I'm tripping. And okay. Let's double check before we hit enter. Flutter, create, be like Jesus app. Be like Jesus app. Code, enter. So let's go ahead and just use this one right here. Everything's here. Repairing installation. What the heck is this? If you'd like to use recommended VS Code settings, yes. Recommended settings were written to the Dart section of your global settings file. All right, here we are. So let's go ahead. We set up our Visual Studio. We created the app. Now let's run the app. Let's see what happens when we run it. Run. Oh, I gotta choose one. Let's go with one. Let's go with Chrome. It's basically gonna be like a web app at first. Waiting for connection for debug service on Chrome. All right, sick. Flutter demo homepage. You have pushed the button this many times. Perfect. Okay. And it worked. All right, so let's go ahead and explore the main Dart. Here, this is it. So we got the app running. This, this might look like a lot here, but we're gonna learn exactly what everything is in here, right? Oh, that's interesting. It has like a run button here. Cool. So this is the theme for your application. Try this. Try running your application with Flutter Run. You'll see the application has a purple toolbar. Try changing the seed color and the color scheme below to colors dark green, and then invoke hot reload. Save your changes. Hot reload. This is cool. Nice. But so we got Flutter installed. We ran our first app, and now I'm ready to start actually building a UI from scratch, and that's gonna be the next stream. If you liked what you see here and you like the journey that I'm going on, hit subscribe so you can stay up to date to my whole journey on this app that I'm building. I have a whole vision for it already, because one of the things is what I think is you got to have a vision of what the app is going to be. And And once you have that vision, I think you could kind of like develop something, or at least have a goal in mind to know where you want that app to be at. Because it'll be hard for you to just say, I want to build an app, and you have no idea what it's going to be. Now, if you have an idea, you think, okay, this app is going to need this feature. This is going to need this and this and this and this. So it's going to help you structure it and start developing it and code it and everything. So this is what I love about coding, is you have the idea and you can actually make it. So that's the fun part, I think, about coding. So if you like that stuff, for sure, you should get into ours. All right, everyone. Later.